Hi, I'm Milja Kurkela and I work as application engineer here at DT's medical business unit, and I'm located here in Oulu, Finland. I work mostly with our CMOS flat panels, and my job is to introduce the product to our customers. I also provide them with technical support if they test our products, use them, or even integrate them into their own devices. I also work closely with our R&D, so I can pass information from us to the customer, but also I can get the feedback straight from the customer, and then we can improve and make a better customer experience. And my background is in computer science, but I also studied biomedical engineering at Oulu University, so I feel like this is the place to be for me. The best thing about working at DT for me is that because I work with the business unit, I get to be a part of the sales team and stay close to our customers, but I can also come here to the lab and actually touch the product and use it and test it. So I can provide a very hands-on kind of technical support to our customers. And I also appreciate the fact that I can challenge myself here. It's a safe space because I have my colleagues and my superiors very close to me, so I have the backup when I need it. It's a great space for growth, I feel like.